Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about how to fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to just sign out your Apple ID for one time and sign in again and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the second solution. So guys, the second solution for this problem is that you will have to check your debit or credit card if they are expired. So guys, if your debit or credit card is expired, you will have to renew your debit or credit card to fix this problem. So guys, after this, the third solution to this problem is that you will have to correctly add your payment method details, and you will have to correctly add your billing address on your iPhone. So guys, for that, open settings and tap on your profile and tap on payment and shipping. So guys, wait for some seconds. So guys, from here, correctly add your card number, date of expiry and security code, and after this, update your billing address also from here. So guys, give your first name and last name correctly, and after this, give your other details correctly in here. So guys, after this, go for the other solution. If it doesn't work, that is, you will have to make it sure that your international payments are not disabled on your debit or credit card. So guys, contact your bank and check if your international payments are disabled. So guys, enable them and again try to fix this problem. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, you will have to just change your payment method and then try to fix this problem. So guys, change your payment method if all this solution doesn't work, and then try to fix this problem. So guys, hopefully after all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.